If you see someone on the street without any tech news, consider sparing some of your own. In fact, you can show them this video. We're helping. In an apparent win for the right to repair movement, Microsoft is committed to make parts and documentation for its devices more available to third-party repair shops, and to investigate making its devices more repairable by the end of 2022.
Wait till you see our Surface Studio Book review.
And it's not just Surface level either. They're also going on an apology tour for anyone who accidentally bricked their Surface. That's a joke. The move comes after shareholders who are members of the advocacy group As You Sow filed a resolution asking Microsoft to do this very thing.
Why are they called that?
As you reap what you sow, so sow the good stuff, and I'm not a farmer. As You Sow noted, this is just a step in the right direction, and that Microsoft is still a member of lobbying groups that oppose right to repair bills. But give them some time. I mean, even Louis Rossmann seems as happy about this as Louis Rossmann can conceivably be. He's a very sassy man.
That's why his smiles mean so much.
They're special. The Nintendo Switch OLED edition is officially available to buy, and by available, we mean the new definition of the word that means theoretically available. Consumer electronics stock is kind of more of a abstract concept right now. It's more of a metaphor, you know. It's like stock, it's a thing that exists.
In Smash Bros.
Reviews have described it as a bit better, and the screen looks nice, but perhaps the most needed upgrade was redesigned Joy-Cons. Nintendo says these ones are a bit better, but don't expect them to be immune from the dreaded stick drift issue that has plagued the console since launch. Also, there's a screen protector on there that isn't actually a screen protector and is actually just part of the screen, so don't go all Galaxy Fold Gen 1 on this thing. Please, that did not end well. You hear that, Anthony? He's unboxing it right now. Little BTS for you, K-pop band. And after fixing the configuration error that caused Facebook's various social platforms to go down on Monday.
Allegedly.
Huh?
Tinfoil hat.
Oh, I get it. Facebook and Instagram users again experienced connection issues for a few hours today. Instagram said they fixed their issue and thanked everyone for their patience and memes, making Instagram officially the most beta social app ever. Don't thank us, we hate you. That's not a meme. God.
See you on TikTok.
And again, Facebook's issues came the day after more controversy related to the platform in the form of a Slate article written by Louis Barclay? The developer of Unfollow Everything, a tool that allowed users to automatically unfollow all their friends, groups, and pages without unfriending them. This empties your news feed, allowing you to check in on what you want to without being tempted to scroll all the way down to depression. That's what's at the bottom, if you never got there.
You haven't been far enough.
Anyway, Facebook banned Barclay for life when his tool, which did break Facebook's terms of service, to be fair, was used in a study of the newsfeed's impact on user happiness. And I'm really just including this because Unfollow Everything sounds kind of genius. There actually was a time when social media wasn't a toxic cesspool. We called that Club
Penguin.
Ah, see you there. Wah, wah. Now it's time for Quick Bits, brought to you by the Drop X Sennheiser PC37X gaming headset. It's got an open back design and the same drivers from the classic HD598 and HD600 headphones for clearer audio, whether you're playing games or music. The PC37X has a noise-canceling mic optimized to handle unpleasant pops and hisses, and it automatically mutes when you rotate it upwards. I wish some people worked that way.
Don't rotate me.
Plus, the 10-foot braided cable leaves you lots of room to shake your head in frustration when you get utterly pwned online. It will happen. Buy your PC37X today and get $25 off at the link below. Offer ends October 15th. Listen, we'll only start the Quick Bits when you say you're ready. I can't hear what you're saying. I didn't think about this one. After Twitch, the whole thing, leaked earlier this week, some users noticed a weird background on the site's dedicated game pages, which turned out to be a meme photo of Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos.
You did it! It's possible this was achieved with cache poisoning, which wouldn't have required any of Twitch's leaked data, but it's still funny when a major Amazon-owned thing gets messed with. It's punching up all the way to space. Well, not quite.
Congratulations.
Blew on the rocket, they didn't go all the,
Looks like a pee-pee.
The judge in the Epic Games versus Apple case ruled that the App Store must allow third-party payment options, and now a company called Paddle has announced the first alternative payment system for iOS apps. They haven't actually launched yet, but as you could guess, Epic CEO Tim Sweeney is over the moon. And by moon, I mean Moon River.
You didn't go to space either, huh?
No, he's very upset. He stuck up the river without a paddle. Okay, I'm sorry, The point is, Fortnite isn't coming back to iPhones, all right? Got him. UK media giant Sky has unveiled the Sky Glass, a thick boy TV that looks a bit like the unnatural offspring of an Xbox Series X and an iMac. I'm interested. It's actually interesting for a few reasons. There's no set-top box or dish required, and it has impressive built-in speakers. But more importantly, it can plug into Sky's 4K camera with motion control and gesture support made in collaboration with Microsoft. You can play games with it with motion. Oh my God, that's a Microsoft Kinect! Yes! I do not want it, but I'm just happy it's happy.
It's a smart TV with fewer options.
It can watch you now. Speaking of Microsoft, they've upgraded their Xbox Cloud Gaming backend to Xbox Series X hardware, meaning graphics, frame rates, and loading time should all get a boost while streaming games from the web. Listen, do any of you actually stream games? I mean, not on Twitch. Like, do you play streaming games? Leave a comment below, because Linus apparently still thinks you don't exist. I'm on your side. I think you are real. And Google's not really gonna have anything to unveil on October 19th if all these Pixel 6 leaks continue. The latest one shows a complete teardown and reassembly of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. I mean, it's like doing a blind taste test where they tell you what you're about to eat. What's even the point of getting the phone if I know where all the little connectors are? I wanna taste it for myself.
You weren't gonna tear it down.
I wasn't gonna lick it. And the fun in this episode is exhausted. Come back on Monday for more tech news. I think we can spare some of ours, although if we don't refill the silo soon, it is gonna be a hard winter.
Subscribe to They're Just Movies.
Sure. I guess so.